small women-owned business, all natural ingredients? Yes, please. Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are demoing a one brand wash day with Miribel Naturals. Now this is the same brand that I have already tested out once here on my channel. You may know it as My Soigne. The cool thing is that Jackie, the founder, rebranded to Miribel Naturals, and she put all of her products in tubes. They're not in tubs anymore, they're in tubes. This makes it way more user-friendly. I am very excited about it, and the rebranding is really, really cute. All the formulas are the same. We're just in new packaging. And the story behind the rebrand I find to be very, very interesting. So Jackie started My Soigne before she became a mother, and during pregnancy she noticed that her curl pattern started to elongate, and she essentially lost her curls. For frame of reference, this is what Jackie's hair looks like today after pregnancy, after the hormones have re-regulated themselves. And for her hair to go straight was, what? My mind was blown. And lo and behold, her daughter was born with straight hair. And she took a step back and she realized that she had created an entire brand around curls and embracing curly hair. Here's the kicker. All of her products are good for all hair types. So she chose to rebrand her company to be inclusive of all hair types, from straight hair to coily hair. And guess what? Her products work for that entire range. I love it. I feel like this is the actual heart of what the original Curly Girl method was intended to be. It's intended to be simple, clean, beautiful formulas that are nourishing to the hair, that are inclusive of all hair types. So, without further ado, let's run into my bathroom and I will show you how I wash and style my hair with Miribel Naturals. Alrighty folks, here we go. These are the before shots. My hair has been getting slowly straighter and straighter and straighter with this pregnancy, but that's okay. I am getting my hair thoroughly saturated with water because that is the basis of any good clean, of any good wash day. I really like pulsing water through the lengths of my hair to help with saturation. My hair has gotten a little bit coarser, and with it being low porosity and a little bit coarser, it takes it quite a while to get water soaked up in it, or at least it feels like quite a while. Normally my hair soaks up water quite quickly. First off, we're going in with the Creamy Hair Cleanser. It's a little gritty and a whole lot of creamy. I love this product. Let's take a quick look at the ingredients label. You can see the bihydramonium methyl sulfate, which is going to be the very gentle surfactant that this co-wash contains. I would definitely categorize this as a no-poo co-wash type situation. It does not foam, suds, or lather at all. It does have just a tiny bit of grit to it. And so it gives a very, very gentle, light exfoliation. It is so full of such marvelous ingredients. It's got peppermint oil. It's got turmeric powder. It's got all the things. If you have a problematic scalp and have been looking for a product to co-wash with, this is absolutely one to try out. I have a friend with seborrheic dermatitis, and she swears by this product for her scalp. Even if she's going to use a low poo, something that foams or suds, she will grab this product to target treat her problem areas. So you saw I really took my time there scrubbing my scalp. There was no lather. And now I'm going in with this awesome scalp brush from Miribel Naturals. This is my new favorite scalp brush. I love that there is nowhere for water or product to get trapped in it. I love that it's flexible and bendy. I did scrub my entire scalp with that. Keep in mind that when you are using a product that does not foam or lather to cleanse with, that you need to up the mechanical cleansing because there is less chemical cleansing power. I love this product because I don't even feel like I need to really detangle my hair. Tangles just melt out of my hair while I'm rinsing the creamy hair cleanser out of my hair. You want to make sure that you do take your time thoroughly rinsing your hair. And there I go again, pulsing water through the lengths of my hair. Now, there are two options here from Miribel Naturals, but I will be going in with the Powerhouse Protein Cream. She also has a Dreamy Hair Cream, which is the protein-free option. Both can be left in or rinsed out, and I will be using this as my conditioning step. Seriously, this is one of my all-time favorite products. It packs some serious protein punch. You can see I'm grabbing more than I would normally grab if I was going to use this as a leave-in, and that is because I will be doing a trickle rinse today. I am using this as my sort of rinse out conditioner step / leave-in step. I won't be rinsing all of this product out, but I will definitely be rinsing some of it out. I am just distributing this with my fingers, making sure to thoroughly finger detangle before I go in with the hairbrush. Again, I talk about this every time, but I do really enjoy finger detangling first to make sure that all of the big snarls are out of my hair. And then I finish distributing conditioner with the brush to ensure that every strand of hair got a good thorough coating. Now you saw there, I added just a little bit of water to my hair, and now I'm doing a squish to condition. This really helps my hair absorb the powerful protein wonderfulness. And I just do the squish to condition until I feel like my hair has thoroughly absorbed the product. Now I am taking a wide tooth comb. This is my favorite hack for when I am upright styling, as I can no longer flip my head upside down very effectively or efficiently as I'm 8 months pregnant. I will use this brush to gently pull the hair off of my scalp all around my head so that nothing is really stuck down to my scalp. It really does also help begin aligning my curl clumps to start forming luscious waves and curls. You can see I'm really running it straight back on my scalp, and this helps with root volume, interestingly enough, once I've fluffed my hair out. I find that if I try and go ahead and part my hair from one side to the other, my hair winds up a lot flatter, but combing it straight back and pulling it off of my scalp gives me a better result. Now I am just scrunching my hair again to further organize the curl clumps and get everything ready to receive the styling product, the gel. I can't wait for you guys to see this product. I have loved this flaxseed gel for a very long time. This is the product that comes the closest to homemade flaxseed gel for me. I've tried a lot of flaxseed gels and nothing compares to making it at home except for this product. Let me know if you like the fact that we are looking at the front and the back of the bottle. If you want, you can rewind and pause the video in order to take a really close look at the ingredients on the ingredients label. So I just barely misted the top of my hair with just a little bit more water, and gravity will help pull the water through the lengths of my hair. I personally like styling on soaking wet hair. You can use this flaxseed gel on damp hair, on soaking wet hair. It just is your preference. Keep in mind that the more water that's in your hair when you apply your stylers, the bigger and juicier your curl clumps will be. You can really control your curl clump size by the amount of water that's in your hair when you're styling. So I am just scrunching as best I can, lifting my hair off of my scalp and scrunching all the way to the root to get a really good, even distribution of this gel. I use a scrunching pulsing method in order to get the gel into each and every curl clump. Now that I have styled, it's time to plop and diffuse. Alrighty, I diffused my hair to 90% dry and let it finish air drying in the cast. If I'm being perfectly honest, I don't think I did my very best diffusing today. Diffusing is an art, and I don't think I nailed it. We all have off days, but now that it is completely dry, I'm ready to kind of fluff it and organize the curls for the day. Woo! I'm trying to figure out the best place to part it. Oh, my hair feels so good. All right, and here are the results with it. Scrunched out and fluffed. P.S. There was no cast. That flaxseed gel doesn't tend to give me a cast. So there's that. Let me turn around and show you the back. I really like this wash day for a light and effortless kind of beachy hair. When I'm wanting to just really nourish my hair and give it like good food, this is the good food for my hair. I love this line for that reason. And there you go. I will be back later to check in with you to show you how this hair is holding up for day 2. Good morning. I am having a very quiet day here at the house. Excuse me. And that's why, don't worry, it's not what you think it is. But I thought we would go ahead and check out this day 2 hair, see how everything is looking. I know I've mentioned these in the past couple of videos, but I can't help myself. I'm going to mention it again. These scrunchies might just be my favorite thing ever. They are from the Curlfriend Collective. It's a friend of mine over on Instagram, small women-owned business. Apparently that's what I love because Miribel Naturals and the scrunchies, but these are incredibly big and stretchy and fluffy, and they don't fall out of my hair, and every time I put my hair up in one, it looks cute. I'm not gonna lie, I really struggled putting scrunchies in my hair because I was just getting 1980s vibes every time I did it. These don't give that to me. These make me feel like I've put something like a hair accessory in my hair rather than a scrunchie. Anyway, enough of that. This is what the hair is looking like. Pulling it straight out of the overnight pineapple. Honestly, I'm gonna do something I shouldn't do. I'm gonna run my fingers through my hair and enjoy it. I can't get over how the Miribel Natural products make my hair feel. Like, my hair is so silky on day 2. I went outside yesterday. It was windy. My hair did not get horribly tangled or knotted or matted. You're not supposed to brush out your curls, but I'm doing it because I'm a rebel. Like, just, it feels so good. It did stretch out, but the flaxseed gel is kind of like a medium to light hold product. So I wasn't expecting for everything to hold really well. And honestly, I think I like this day 2 better than wash day. Especially with it all brushed out and kind of big and loose. And for me, the feeling of my hair is almost more important to me than how it looks. Like, if it looks bomb, but feels like producty and dry and rough and icky and like I don't want to touch it, then I'm less happy than if my hair is more stretched out and less defined, but feels like butter. Let me turn around and show you the back. And don't forget that you can make a killer refresh spray. I did show this in my last video with My Soigne. I'm not going to do it today because I'm not going to refresh this hair. I'm being perfectly honest with you. I'm not feeling the refresh today. I'm feeling like curling up on the couch with a cup of hot tea. But you can take a spray bottle and put a little bit of your favorite cream from them. They have a protein-free cream or their Powerhouse protein product, which is probably what I would use. Probably about a 1/4 teaspoon of that product, and then 1/2 teaspoon of the flaxseed gel in a Flaxseed spray bottle, and spray your hair with that. Smooth it over, scrunch it, diffuse it, and it does bring back curls. If you have tried this, comment down below and let people know how it turned out for you. When I tried it, I was shocked at how well it brought curls back and refreshed my hair. All right, and that is it for day 2. All right, guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want, check out the links in the description down below for more info on this incredible brand. If you feel like checking it out, Jackie was kind enough to give you guys a code that will save you a little bit of money off. If you are itching to try these out, I don't think you'll be sorry. Honestly, the protein leave-in conditioner is my all-time favorite leave-in conditioner. It really is. It has surpassed the Curls Blueberry Bliss as my favorite. There, I said it. All right, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye!